Searching for articles. We'll do the same search we used for the searching for books tutorial. If you watched that video, it will be familiar, but we'll be using the Business Source Premier database instead. From the library's website, click on Find Articles and More, then Databases, then Business, then Business Source Premier database. To find those 3 rows of search boxes, I'll click on Advanced Search. For the company, I'll use the Company Entity field instead of the Named Corporation field we use to search for books. We'll use the same information for the other box. These terms are good for searching for articles on management or corporate culture. If you wanted to search for marketing or finances or stakeholders, you would use words to that effect. For these search terms, I got 5,182 results of all types of publications. Over here on the left, you can see the different types of publications. I'll limit to academic journals to get the highest quality sources. That one click immediately limited the results to 250 from an original 5,182 results. Let's look at the first one on the list. Overview of the commentaries on the changing landscape of employee rewards, observations, and prescriptions. It's an 8-page article, so there should be a little bit of meat there. It's from October 2014, which isn't too old. I'll click on the title. There's no link to the full text on the left, so I'll click on this link to order the article. It only takes a few days to get the full article in your email, so it is a pretty quick and easy way to get an article. You just need to fill in the information about yourself at the top. The information about the article is already filled out for you in the bottom half. The library card number is the barcode on the back of your student ID. If you don't know that number, give us your student ID number and we'll figure out your library card number. Then click on Submit, and the article should show up in your email in a matter of days. Now let's go back to the page about the article. On the right side of the page, we have the Cite icon. It provides an APA citation that you can copy and paste into your own list of citations. Reminder, if your course is using a modified APA format, please provide the name of the database where you found the article at the end of your citation. Add the phrase retrieved from Business Source Premier or whatever other article database you use to get the best grade on your citations. Now I'm going to go back to my search results page. Say that I didn't find enough good stuff on the company's management culture in academic journals. I'll change the source types by clicking on the Show More box. Then I'll remove the check mark next to academic journals and put one next to magazines and trade publications. Notice that each of the results has the periodical icon next to it. This is a way to quickly see that you're not looking at academic journals anymore. These are the Group B sources. Okay published sources, but not as in-depth or analytical as scholarly academic articles. There is also a whole other business article database called ABI Inform. It comes from a completely different company and might find different articles. There will probably be some overlap in the results because there is a limit to how many business periodicals out there they can include, but it might be worth it to try this database too. Once again, back to the library data website. It's the first database listed in the business section because it's an alphabetical list. I'll I'll do an advanced search. In this database, instead of the field name company entity, they have company organization, company/organization-org. You can see right away that this is a much bigger database. Business Source Premier returned 5,182 results. ABI Inform found 19,261 results. Over here on the left, you can see how many results fall into each category of publications. You can see that the biggest number of results are newspaper articles and wire feeds, neither of which will provide the kind of in-depth analysis you should be looking for. There are 362 academic articles and scholarly journals. You can also get citations for these articles by clicking on the title and then clicking on Cite. If they don't provide the full text of the article, you can order it by filling out the interlibrary loan form on the library's website. Let the librarians know if you need help finding the additional sources on your company that you will need for the assignments in your courses.